Okay, one Briggs & Stratton lawnmower, one little bit of a rusty plug, but this thing always starts. But that's not the problem. The problem is it the drive, Andrew, or which? Or the start?
The start, isn't it? Start cord.
So this is the problem. The start cord has snapped. So it's like a clutch being engaged all the time, isn't it? So you can't pull the engine over. Is that right?
Yeah.
On this particular model? So you've got to pull it. It's like, yeah, you can't. So we're going to change that cable. We're going to show you how we're going to do it. Now, whether it's just the cable or the whole thing, I'm not too sure. I've only just got here. Look at this dirty sod. Look at this. Look at this. It's got plants growing out of it. Well, it is winter. So, okay, I'll give that a bit of a clean. These are very robust things, these are. Right, so I'm going to get a plug spanner, take the plug out, we'll check that. We'll check the air filter. And then the main thing is that start lead. There we go. Yeah, that's the top end by the handle, and that goes somewhere underneath, which we're going to have a look at. Let's have a look, see if we can get this number for you, make sure it fits. If you get the right one, then you know what to order. There we go, 6306648. I think I know where you got it from. Looks like eBay, probably. Alright, so let's get in the shed where it's a bit warmer and have a look.
The torch, do we?
Oh, yeah, here we go. Okay, plug off first. Does that look alright?
Well, I think we'll have to clean it up. Now you need a deep reach.
It's there. No, it fits that.
Huh?
Fits that.
Ah,
Yeah.
I made that a bit complicated.
I did not. It worked. You're going to make it complicated. Look at that. Look at that.
Very tight, was it?
Yeah. What's that like?
See better
Meh.
days.
Yeah. So look. A bit of a clean, it'll be alright. Okay. A lot of people tend to throw their lawnmowers away when they can't get them to start. And some of them are simple things like just clearing a plug, put a new plug in it. Makes a massive difference. Always essential as well to buy a brand new wire brush. That's a joke, it wasn't, it's not really. Is that like... Look at the difference.
Gap's real small though.
Is it? What's on the more lawnmower? Are they 25 thou?
I've no idea.
Okay. And normally you just buy a new plug, but it's Sunday. We're away from town, so we just thought we just got to get it going today. And that's what we do. Just clean the points, well, not the point. Well, they are the contacts. Clean the contacts, top and bottom, and then give it a.
Clean this bit as well.
Top. Make sure it's good contact. Because Andrew does tend to leave his outside in the garden all through winter. Don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, you admitted it. And that's another reason why sometimes you might not get a decent spark. So you can actually change the HT, or you can just change this part, just the cap. But we'll give that a clean, and then you can always see if you've got a spark anyway, can't we? Okay, so using a little file just to clean the inside, to get rid of some of the rust. Such a lazy sod. Just to make sure we get a spark, because we want to get this going for you guys, okay?
You film it again?
No,
Take it out.
no, it's right, done. Go on, put it back in. That's it. We can't test for a spark just yet because we can't pull the thing over. So that's what we're looking at. This is the broken lead. Oh, there we are. Andrew, it's just a, yeah. You want? I think it's a, looks like an Allen key by the look of it. Can't tell. That, and then that lead goes up. I think it should be a pretty straightforward, easy job.
To there.
Oh,
Goes
so
up
it
there.
goes onto there. We couldn't get this off. Anyway. So I pulled the lead out, clips into there, it must be straightforward to put back on again. So both ends are just a push fit. You just push them together and pop it out. Of course, we have noticed the other one's bust, but he's not bothered about it. What's the other one do?
Drive.
Oh, it's the drive, isn't it?
Let's cut them off. I think.
Right, okay.
The drive one. Push it up and then turn it like that.
You got him?
Yep. Push him into
And
there.
then push that into there. Push it in there.
Probably should put it on that first.
A bit tight. Good, good.
We'll go. Just
Yeah, I'll just give it a bit more then. There you go.
right, see if it lives.
It's alive. There we go.
3 pumps.
Prime it. Pull the lever in. Hey, that's better. Oh, here we go. Never fails, does it? Never fails. And this is it. No. Well, these are new plugs by the look of it. There you go. Okay. Sorted. There we go. One quick fix. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up. A like and a subscribe. The subscribe button's over here. The notification bell comes with it, and then you'll be notified of any. This is getting a bit. No, that's just burning off any excess water. And yeah, be notified for any more up and coming videos. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.